On March 21, 2025, the world's attention turned to the Oval Office, where President Trump made an announcement that would send shockwaves across global military circles. The United States had unveiled its most advanced fighter jet ever, the F-47, a sixth-generation stealth aircraft so revolutionary that it redefines what air power can achieve. Analysts immediately realized that this wasn't just a new fighter, it was a game-changer, designed to dominate the skies and project American strength like never before. The timing couldn't have been more critical. Just months earlier, China stunned the world by flying its J-36 stealth fighter years ahead of schedule, signaling an urgent challenge to U.S. air superiority. Now the F-47 enters the stage, ready to respond with unmatched speed, range, stealth, and cutting-edge technology. Welcome to Jet Foundation, where we break down the most advanced military aircraft shaping the future of warfare. Today we're diving deep into the F-47, how it works, why it's revolutionary, and what it means for global air dominance. The global race for air superiority. The unveiling of the F-47 didn't happen in a vacuum. Just a few months earlier, on December 26, 2024, China caught the world off guard by flying not one, but two prototypes of their J-36 stealth fighter, years ahead of schedule. The larger J-36, with its massive tri-jet tailless design, stunned U.S. intelligence and demonstrated that America's rivals were aggressively pursuing sixth-generation air dominance. What was supposed to happen in 2028 happened in 2024, sending a clear message: the race for the skies is on. Meanwhile, the U.S. had already paused its next-generation air dominance (NGA) program due to skyrocketing costs, leaving a temporary gap in America's air strategy. But China's bold move changed everything. Within 3 months, the Trump administration fast-tracked the F-47 program, awarding a full development contract, a move experts called unprecedented. This section of history sets the stage. The F-47 is not just a fighter, it's America's answer to a global challenge, a decisive leap to maintain air superiority for decades to come. What makes it revolutionary? So what exactly makes the F-47 a game-changer in modern air combat? First, it's classified as a sixth-generation stealth fighter, a category that goes far beyond anything the U.S. has fielded before. Unlike previous fighters like the F-22 Raptor or F-35, the F-47 isn't just about speed or stealth, it's a flying supercomputer built to dominate every aspect of aerial warfare. Its range alone is staggering, over 1,000 nautical miles, nearly double the F-22's combat radius. That extended reach makes it a strategic powerhouse, especially in vast theaters like the Pacific, where distances between bases can stretch for thousands of miles. Its stealth capabilities, rated Stealth++, push radar evasion technology to new heights, making the F-47 nearly invisible to current and near-future detection systems. Speed is another breakthrough. The F-47 can exceed Mach 2 and sustain supersonic flight without afterburners, a capability known as supercruise, allowing it to strike quickly while remaining extremely difficult to detect. Combined with its long-range sensors, integrated computing and ability to coordinate multiple drone wingmen, the F-47 isn't just a fighter, it's a revolution in air dominance, capable of redefining the battlefield before an enemy even knows it's there. Combat capabilities and drone integration. One of the most revolutionary aspects of the F-47 isn't just its speed or stealth, it's how it transforms a single pilot into the commander of an entire squadron. This is made possible through the Collaborative Combat Aircraft (CCA) program, which integrates intelligent drones directly into the F-47's operations. Each fighter can control 2 to 5 autonomous drones, known as YQF-42A and YQF-44A, acting as highly advanced wingmen. These drones aren't just extensions of the aircraft, they're fully integrated partners, capable of reconnaissance, electronic warfare, and even offensive strikes under the pilot's direction. In combat scenarios, this multiplies the F-47's effectiveness exponentially, allowing one aircraft to perform the work of several. Beyond drone integration, the F-47 is designed as a multi-role powerhouse. It excels in air-to-air engagements, deep strike missions, electronic warfare, intelligence gathering, and battlefield management. This versatility means a single F-47 can adapt to rapidly changing combat scenarios, coordinate with allied forces, and maintain dominance across multiple domains. In short, the F-47 doesn't just fly, it orchestrates the battle, turning a lone pilot into a tactical command center in the sky. Advanced technology and adaptability. What truly sets the F-47 apart isn't just its raw power, it's its ability to evolve and adapt over time. Unlike earlier fighters, which were largely locked into their original capabilities, the F-47 was built with an open systems architecture. This design allows engineers to integrate new technologies, sensors, weapons, or artificial intelligence, throughout the aircraft's service life, keeping it ahead of any adversary. Its sensor suite represents a quantum leap in battlefield awareness. Radar, infrared, and electronic warfare systems are fused into a single network, giving the pilot a complete picture of the airspace. Combined with a virtual cockpit displayed directly in the pilot's helmet, this allows for split-second decision-making in high-stakes combat scenarios. Artificial intelligence assists in processing massive amounts of data, identifying threats, suggesting tactics, and optimizing the drone wingman's coordination, all while leaving ultimate control in the hands of the human pilot. This adaptability extends to missions and upgrades. Whether it's air-to-air combat, deep strike, or intelligence gathering, the F-47 can evolve alongside threats and technology. In short, it's not just a fighter, it's a platform that grows smarter and more lethal over time, redefining the concept of air dominance. Industrial and economic impact. The F-47 program isn't just about building a revolutionary aircraft, it's a showcase of American industrial strength. Boeing's Phantom Works division leads the development, tapping into a vast network of over 1,000 U.S. companies contributing to advanced materials, electronics, precision manufacturing, and software. From California to the Midwest, small businesses, universities, and major corporations all play a role, creating hundreds of thousands of jobs and driving economic growth across the nation. Investments go beyond meeting the contract. Boeing has developed cutting-edge manufacturing techniques, advanced software systems, and new materials processes that will benefit both military and civilian aviation for decades. The St. Louis production facility embodies this innovation, with automated assembly, strict quality control, and secure environments designed to handle the F-47's advanced stealth coatings and components. In short, the F-47 program is more than an aircraft. It's a catalyst for technological advancement, economic growth, and the preservation of America's aerospace leadership, reinforcing the nation's global power both in and out of the skies. Propulsion, stealth, and sensors. The F-47's performance doesn't rely solely on its design. It's powered by revolutionary propulsion and sensor systems that redefine what a fighter can do. At its heart is an advanced variable cycle engine, capable of adjusting performance for maximum efficiency during long-range missions or delivering extreme thrust during combat. This allows the F-47 to supercruise, fly faster than the speed of sound without afterburners, while maintaining a low heat signature, a critical factor in avoiding detection. Stealth is taken to a whole new level with the Stealth++ rating, meaning its radar cross-section is smaller than any previous fighter. Advanced thermal management and revolutionary materials ensure the F-47 remains virtually invisible, even at high speeds where traditional stealth aircraft become more detectable. The aircraft's sensor suite is fully integrated, combining radar, infrared, and electronic warfare systems into a single network. This sensor fusion gives the pilot unparalleled situational awareness, enabling them to detect threats, coordinate drone wingmen, and make split-second decisions. Coupled with a modular weapons bay that can accommodate both conventional and future-directed energy weapons, the F-47 is a flying command center capable of shaping the battlefield from every angle. Strategic implications and global context. The F-47 isn't just an advanced fighter, it's a strategic game-changer that alters the balance of air power worldwide. Its 1,000+ nautical mile combat radius allows it to operate effectively across vast theaters like the Pacific, putting previously safe enemy targets within reach and extending U.S. influence over thousands of miles. Coupled with advanced stealth and integrated drone wingmen, a single F-47 can project power far beyond traditional limits, making it a force multiplier for allied operations. Global competitors are paying close attention. China's J-36 aims for long-range and heavy payload capabilities. Russia's MiG-41/PAC-DP claims extreme speed and high-altitude performance. And Europe's Future Combat Air System, FCS, and GCAP programs show the complexity of international collaboration. The F-47's rapid development and deployment place the U.S. ahead in the technological race, forcing adversaries to rethink strategy, invest in new radar systems, and develop countermeasures. For the U.S. and its allies, the F-47 represents not just an aircraft, but a cornerstone of modern military strategy, ensuring dominance in air, space, and networked warfare domains for decades to come. Human element, pilots and support personnel. Even with its cutting-edge technology, the F-47's true power depends on the skill and dedication of its human operators. Pilots must master far more than traditional flying. They coordinate multiple drone wingmen, interpret real-time sensor data, and integrate with ground, naval, and space-based assets. This requires exceptional mental agility, situational awareness, and decision-making under pressure, making F-47 aviators some of the most highly trained pilots in history. Support personnel play an equally critical role. Maintenance crews must understand stealth materials, advanced electronics, AI systems, and complex propulsion technology. Intelligence analysts, mission planners, and logistics teams all adapt to maximize the F-47's capabilities, ensuring the aircraft functions at its full potential. Behind the scenes, Engineers, technicians, and test pilots dedicate years of expertise to bringing the program to life. Together, this human network transforms the F-47 from a machine into a cohesive, integrated force, proving that innovation alone isn't enough. Success requires skilled people to operate, maintain, and support it at every level. The F-47 represents more than a technological breakthrough. It symbolizes America's commitment to maintaining air superiority and global security. With its unmatched range, stealth, AI-assisted systems, and drone integration, this fighter is reshaping the future of warfare, turning a single pilot into a force multiplier on the battlefield. Its adaptability ensures it will evolve with emerging threats, keeping the U.S. ahead for decades. Beyond the military, innovations from the F-47 program will influence civilian aviation, manufacturing, and technology worldwide. If you found this breakdown insightful, like this video, subscribe to Jet Foundation, and leave a comment on which F-47 feature fascinates you most. Share this with anyone who loves advanced aviation technology.